Okay, so let me explain you these exercises assignments. The first one is I want the name, job, and salary of the person who is a clerk and he belongs to department 30. Okay, that means here name, job, salary I want. I don't want all the columns. Now, second one is I want only name and salary column of the person whose salary is less than 1000, whose salary is less than 1000, and he belongs to department 20 and 30. Now, third one is I want the employee detail. Employee detail in the sense here I want all the columns. So whose employee number starts with 77. Okay. These are the three assignments. Just do it. I'm giving you some 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then please do. I'm giving you 5-10 minutes. Okay, then let's see the fourth one. Consider this all as a homework so that I can see in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now the fourth one. Just trace that output once. I want name hyphen job hyphen salary in this format. Only I want one column. Okay. Name hyphen job hyphen salary in one column, and that column name will be employee detail, EMP underscore detail something. Okay. One column, and that column name should be employee underscore detail. And next is I want the employee detail, the salary from lower to higher. Okay. Next is I want the employee detail of the managers. Only manager. Who are the manager? Manager and you can say manager and clerk. Employee detail of manager and clerk. Now I want how many managers are there? And I want name, salary, name, salary, and commission column. Name, salary, and commission column. And one more column that is called derived column. Okay, which column is not there You have to derive. Derive means you have to, like I told you, right? You can use a calculate something. I can give some LIC name that column. Okay, so that is called derived column. I want name, salary, and commission column already there, and one more derived column where derived column equal to salary plus commission. And I want those records where commission don't have the null values. Next one.
So derived column.
Name, salary, and commission should not be null column, and derived column equal to salary plus commission. So derived column formula is salary plus commission. Now I want employee name and short name of the employee. Short name of the employee means first 3 character. Let's say I have a Smith. So I want Smith, then another column is to come SIM, SMI. Okay, only 3 character. And 3 character and comma. What is the length of total name? The full name, total length. Okay. That should be come in one. I mean 3 columns, 3 different columns. Yeah. Total how many? 9. One more you want, right? So I want how many A in the first occurrence? How many A present? No, not how many position of the A. Position of the A in the first occurrence of the name. So you should have name column and position of the first A. Okay, position of the first A. For name, for employee name, for employee name. Okay, now that's it. 10 is done. Okay, if I go on, then it will be now just stretch down that output to go up from the beginning. I'll explain again. Let's see. Okay, go up. Okay, the first one, name, job, salary, which is clerk, and it belongs to department 30. Okay, so I want the who is a clerk and department 30. I want that those name and job and salary. Clear? Next one, I want name and salary column only of the person whose salary is less than 1,000, and he should belong to department 20 and 30. Now, next one is I want employee details, means all the columns whose employee number starts with 77. Next, I want name, job, and salary. Those in one column. Okay. And column name should be okay. Then you have to give the column alias name. Give column alias name should be employee detail. Column alias name. Column alias name should be employee detail. Perfect. Now the employee detail salary from lower to higher. Okay, I want the employee detail. After employee detail, give comma. I want employee detail salary from lower to higher. Okay. Employee detail of the manager and clerk. Okay. I want all the details of the employee who are manager and clerk for those only. Count how many managers are there. Okay. Just count how many total managers are there. Name, salary, and commissions should not be null and derived columns. Okay. I want name, salary, and commission. No, no, should not be null. You cut that paste. Cut it. Should not be null. Cut it. I want name, salary, comma, commission, and derived column. The first and you remove. There after salary give and, not and, comma. I want name, comma, salary, comma, commission, and derived column salary plus commission. Full stop. And commission not equal to null. Okay, correct. Now employee name and first three character. Employee name and first three character, and what is the length of the total characters should be in three different columns. Perfect. Find position of the A in the first occurrence with different column for in. Perfect. So these are the 10 assignments. So anyone has any doubt by understanding these assignments, please ask me. I mean, you understood the requirement. Which question you are not understanding, please ask me so that I can explain you and you can able to do it. Okay, so just do it. If anything, you can let me know.